Hello guys, welcome to TDS Tech. Today we are going to install Ubuntu 18.04 on a virtual machine. So without wasting time, let's get started. Uh, Actually, there I was entered on installation, and after that I pressed up arrow key. That's why the arrow was on the first, that is try Ubuntu, but I have selected installation. So Ubuntu 18.04 installation process is booting up here. Wait for a while, and here we go. Okay, so select your language. After that, select again keyboard language. I'll select a normal installation but including third-party softwares. I'll select continue. Actually, I'm going to install on entire disk. Previously there was an Ubuntu, so I will select erase disk and install Ubuntu. I'll select my country. Next, give username, password, and I'll just confirm my password. Okay, so okay, yeah, here we go. So installation is now began. Just sit back and relax while the installation process is completed. So installation process is now completed. I'll select restart now. It will restart my PC, that is virtual machine. What it says that remove your installation medium and then press enter. I'm going to remove my installation media and I'll hit enter here. Wait a minute. Okay, so our machine is now restarted. Ubuntu is booting up. And I'll just enter over here. Press enter. After giving my password, I'll sign in. So wait for a while.